How to make your audio go from sounding like this
to sounding like this. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, head over to this link. I will paste this in the description of this video. And once you come to this page, you will be able to read this information about Adobe Audio Enhancer. They also have a clip that you can listen to so that you can hear what they are going to do to your audio. I'll play it.
I'm in a conference room with the window open, and it's pretty echoey in here too. Not the best place to...
Sounds great, right? So all we have to do is click this upload button, or we can just simply drag and drop our audio into Adobe Audio Enhancer. The length of your audio will depend on how long this takes. I have tested this with a 1 hour and 30 minute clip, and it took about 9 minutes to enhance it, and it did an amazing job. As I only have a small clip here, it hasn't taken very long at all. I'm just going to turn this off so that we can hear the before and after of my clip. Now this option used to be available in Adobe Audition, but Adobe have brought this option into Premiere so that you don't have to keep exporting and re-importing your audio. Now the audio that this has enhanced is the audio that was recorded directly from my laptop, not my microphone, and it has done a pretty incredible job of removing the background noise and the echo. With that complete, you can go ahead and click that purple download button. And that is how you enhance your audio with Adobe Audio Enhancer. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more Creative Fix tutorials, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.